Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I am going to be doing a full tutorial, hair tutorial, and review on a new product that I just got that I'm literally obsessed with. It is awesome and I think you guys are gonna love it. So this is the product I'm gonna be using today. I'm going to insert a little unboxing clip here now to show you what it looked like when I first got it and what came in the box. So let's get to it. So this was filmed whenever I first got it. This is my beautiful little hair tool in its gorgeous pink box. It came with instructions and a super soft velvet pouch to store away in, and of course the hair tool itself. Y'all, this is the most beautiful little hair tool I've ever owned. How pretty is that baby pink color? This is the MIRACOMB Cool Air Curler. It's a titanium curling wand, but it's also a 2-in-1 hair tool. It straightens and smooths, it curls your hair, but it also gives you super cute beachy waves. Even the plug on this curler is pink and I just think it's adorable. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is pull up half of my hair. I always do this because it just makes it easier for whatever I'm gonna do with my hair for the day. It just makes it so much easier to get some of the hair out of the way, even though I don't have a lot of hair. Y'all know I have thin hair, but it is long. I do got that. But anyways, I'm going to give it a quick brush, and then we are going to let the hair curling begin. I am literally obsessed with this because it's so easy to use. It curls my hair super fast. I do need to cut on the fan function, which I don't know how well that's gonna work while filming, but I'm gonna cut it on just so you can hear it. So this does have a fan. So I'm gonna show you how I use it really quick. So I start with the iron like this. See, there's a little button there that opens up the clamp. I start with it like this, and what I do is grab a piece of hair, clamp it in between, and twirl the iron all the way down to the end of my hair. It makes the prettiest curls. And there's another one. I'm just going to continue to do this on all of my hair. It's literally so easy to use, it's crazy. When I first seen it, I was a little intimidated. I was like, wonder if I'm gonna be able to figure this one out, because you guys know that I love trying out different curlers and irons and stuff like that. And I was kind of scared. This also reminds me a lot of curling your hair with a straightener, which I've literally never been able to do. I've tried to figure it out for years and have never been able to figure it out. So this is actually perfect for me because that's kind of what it is. That took me less than a minute to do the bottom part of my hair, and now I just have to do the top. So I'm just gonna unclip my hair and then we're going to work in sections. So not only is this a hair curler, it is also a hair straightener, and you literally just use it like you would any straightener. You clamp your hair in between the blades and just straighten through like that. It makes your hair super soft and smooth, but that is not the look I'm going for today. So we're gonna continue curling this hair, but I did want to mention that because I think it's awesome. So if you're looking for a tool that can straighten and curl your hair, this would be perfect for you. This is literally a 2-in-1 tool that works great both ways. Especially if you have more coarse or frizzy hair. I know a lot of people sometimes straighten their hair before they curl it. With this tool, you won't need two different tools. It's all at your fingertips. You can straighten and then immediately curl right afterwards. Okay, so now I'm done with that side. We're gonna go ahead and finish on this side. I'm gonna mute myself, might fast forward a little bit. And then I'm also gonna give you some more information about this product. So some other things I would like to mention about this amazing hair tool. First off, it has an automatic 30-minute shut off, which y'all know I love because I am the type to walk out the door and literally worry about, did I unplug it? Did I turn it off? This, that, and the other. I'm constantly thinking about that kind of stuff. So this shuts off automatically in 30 minutes, so I don't even have to worry about it. It also has a 7-foot tangle-free swivel cord and dual voltage. It heats up fast and can go from 320 Fahrenheit to 430 Fahrenheit, which is perfect for different types of hair. Whether your hair is thin like mine or much thicker, this has 4 different heat settings, which is suitable for all hair types. This is a multi-functioning tool, as I previously mentioned, and I love that about this hair tool. It glides through your hair so effortlessly. It can curl your hair, create waves, it adds lift, and if you just need to smooth out your hair or straighten it, it can do that too. Also, I want to mention that you don't have to use the air option. It's just an option that you can turn off or on, but using the air option does have its benefits. So this has cool air technology that is equipped with a cool air system. It allows the cool air to flow out of these tiny vents on the barrel to set your curls or waves, and it helps to protect your hair from high heat. But like I said, you can turn it off or on. Also, the plates on this styler is titanium floating plates. So this helps to deliver instant and even heat for easy gliding, zero creasing or pulling. This also helps to instantly smooth, condition, and shine, resulting in moisturized, long-lasting styles. All of this information plus more will be on the website. I'll have it linked down below in the description.
Different. I guess it never hit you, our conversation.
Okay, so that literally took me no time at all, and honestly, I feel like I could just run with this hairdo as is because this is perfect to me. I love these kind of curls. I love this kind of look. However, we're gonna shake it up just a little bit to see what it looks like, a little shaken.
I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left.
Honestly, in my opinion, it keeps getting better and better. I am crazy about this. I'm crazy about the style of curls that it gives my hair. I'm crazy about the little bit of volume it gives me and bounce. So I also wanted to tell y'all I could do my bangs as well. Most of the time I just like to let my bangs roll with it and let them do their own thing, which is usually this. But we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of curl to it, which last time I did with my little bobby pin. But this time, old girl's getting curled with the curling iron. Just gonna flip them out a little bit. Perfect. Perfect. Whew. On the other side, just clamp and pull outwards. I love this. I'm telling you guys, I'm literally obsessed with this thing.
That will be a lie. Go on.
This is perfect. What do you guys think? I would love to hear your thoughts about my hair. I would love to hear what you guys think about this. I'm gonna give you a shot of me standing up so you could see it in all of its glory.
With these humble lacking everlasting ego.
I'm able to easily run my fingers through my hair with no problems, no worries of messing up the hair. It just ends up looking better and better. So anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out this amazing hair product. I'll have it linked down below. I think it's one of the funnest hair tools I've owned in a long time, and I love the look that I get from it. I also love that it's so versatile because yes, you can straighten your hair. So if you need a straightener, it straightens your hair perfectly. There's my hair straight. It straightens your hair, it waves it, it curls it. Now I'm actually going to curl back that piece because I just wanted to show you that you could straighten it even after it's been curled. So yeah, if you want more information, I will have the website, the links all down below. Check it out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I would love to know what you think about my hair. I am in love and obsessed. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you enjoy my content, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Same old thoughts be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it.